Hello, good morning everybody from a very wet, windy and ucky Narberth. I'm Wendy from Wendy's Crafted and I'm an independent Stampin' Up demonstrator. I had a parcel this morning, only a little one mind, but I did open it, but it's given me an idea. Now the first thing I had was this purple posy roll of I think that's, I don't know whether there's hashing or something in there, I'm not sure, but so I keep waiting, I'll do this while I'm doing the video for you. Now, it's difficult to get that, and it keeps slipping, you can never find the end. The best way I found somebody showed me was you pinch it, and then you could get under the piece of plastic and take it off. Now, isn't this beautiful ribbon? I'm not the sort of person that, what is it, is it 10 yards? I thought it looked a bit bulky. I mean, this is beautiful. I mean, it can, I'm trying to imagine this now on all sorts of various cards and all, but beautiful that is. Right, so that's one of the things I got. I don't know if we've lost you already. I've got a new Stampin' Up bone folder. Now, I've got this for a reason. Well, as we know, as crafters, always buy things for good reasons. Now, I've got a few of these lying around. I got this one that my neighbour gave me. And I got this one from an EK thing. But I wanted a new one, a new shiny bone folder. So I got that. Now then, I've got 2 stamp sets here. We'll go for this one first. Days to Remember. Now this is going to be absolutely fantastic because you don't have to go out and buy those calendars anymore. You know, can you see that all right? Sort of. Right, if I bring it here. Yes, this stamp set is called Days to Remember. And it goes through obviously days of the week, months of the year, and then you've got the numbers as well. Now, what I'm planning to do with this, I'm planning on maybe to do wedding anniversary invites, or, you know, if I decide to throw a party one day, then I can do that, but not at the moment, eh? But beautiful stamp set. Let's open it up and see. It's a photopolymer one, which means that you will need a mat underneath it for stamping, because they do need a bit of a surface to go into, if you know what I mean. They don't stamp very well on just the surface. That's it. My next one, as soon as I opened it, I thought, oh, I can do this. And it's this one. Isn't that absolutely beautiful? Garden bird box, bird houses. All these little things, and these little, oh, look, there's 100 things I could do with that. Now then, to let you into a bit of a guessing game. I've just been on my my stamp thingy storage, and I have got that one, and that one out. Any ideas yet? I'm just going to put that one to one side for a minute I can use. But I've got Garden Birdhouses, My Meadow, Beauty of Tomorrow, and Sending Sunshine. I've got all of these 4 to make a scene from it. So that's all I'm going to say for now. And I'm now going to go off and try and practice a few things and see how they turn out. Well, let me see them before I forget. The bird houses, these are also photopolymer. So it would be a good idea for you to get a match, a stamping mat that, you know, you could use. So thank you for listening to me dribble on, and I shall put the results of my play later on my Facebook page. Thank you. Bye.